Hi, my name is Chris and I'm from All Security Company, and today I'm going to show you how to replace batteries in your 2 gig wireless door/window sensor. Grab the sensor like this. You can see that there's a little clip in the back or on the bottom, depending on how the sensor is on the door or window. If you push that in, it can be a little difficult at times. If you push this in, it kind of pops out. Once you get it open, you see that the 2 batteries are in there. You're just going to put your screwdriver in and pop out both batteries, like so. Then you would grab your new batteries. For these, it's always positive up, and it just snaps right in place. Do that for both batteries. And then when you put it back together, you make sure you put the bottom in first. You'll see the 2 little clips, and then it just snaps into place. And for this, all you would need was a little screwdriver to get in there to pop the batteries out, and that's it. You've replaced your batteries in your wireless 2 gig door window sensor.